What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And on my full in-depth review on the Jordan 1 True Blue, Dr. Evil, True Blue, I told y'all if y'all give me up to 15 likes, I do a how to style. Yo, I really appreciate y'all, man. It takes a lot to get this channel where it's at, man. And I appreciate all y'all. Wouldn't be here without y'all. But we got the 15 likes, so you know we got to do a how to style. Now this is where I take some streetwear pieces. Sometimes I mix it up, and I just put together some fire to match whatever sneaker we trying to match that video. Today, it's the True Blue. Hit the B-roll. Now I ain't gonna front. This blue is like the Game Royal blue, but it's really not matching with a lot of the Game Royal stuff I matched it with. This blue's kind of true bluish. So you know I usually start with essentials. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yes, sir. The dark gray Heather Oak sweatpants is the best for me. I looked at the light. The light will work because it's just a gray sweatpants, but the dark Heather Oak matches more because it gives you more of that cement feel. This is the updated or the latest version of the essentials. So you got it down here instead of up here, and it does reflect, guys, which is dope. So this is the sweats. You still can get the sweats. PacSun, Essence, I forget the other one, but just Google Fear Guard Essentials. It'll pop up. PacSun and Essence always have sales, so that's why that's the first two that come to mind. But this is the perfect cement match to the back of the Jordan 1 True Blues. This right here is the hoodie. Again, the Essentials, the new look right there reflects also. The dark Heather Oak, man, it matches the cement perfect. Fear Guard Essentials has not come out with blue yet, but once they do, that's a dope match too, making sure it's true blue. But if you are on the market for a blue hoodie to match the true blue Jordan 1s, it has to be the Yeezy Gap Perfect hoodie. This blue in that sneaker is like meant to be. That's the perfect match. This blue is like the closest true blue I seen to them sneakers far as a hoodie piece. The bad news is about this is that after Gap got rid of the rest of the sizes they had, the only place you can get it right now is StockX and GOAT. Good news is, it's not that expensive. We're talking $90 to maybe $130 depending on sizing. And I know Kanye did some crazy things, but the Yeezy Gap hoodie is really the perfect hoodie. It snugs you perfectly. I'm 175 pounds, 5'7". I go with the medium. That's the truest size. It fits me snug. So you take that information and do what you got to do. Get into the tees now. I like this Market. I almost said Chinatown. Look, I'm getting better. I like this Market shirt right here. It's the Keep On Shining tee with the basketball, because the color of this shirt is like the mixture of true blue and gray. If you was to mix that in a pot, I think you would come out with this color here, denim jean look color. So that's why I really like this shirt here. I got this shirt actually from a Market mystery box I brought, so I don't know the price. Actually, I did look up the price in that video. I believe it was around $60 to $70. But I just like the blue look on the gray in a true blue mix. I think it's a perfect match, guys. Staying streetwear is the Mary J. Blige Supreme What's the 411 photo tee. Again, just like the shirt I just showed y'all, that mix of gray and blue gets you somewhere in this palette color. So I really like that. Then I like the grayed out photo of Mary J. Blige. I mean, some of you kids may be a little too young to know who Mary J. Blige is, but it's Supreme, and I love the blue-gray mixture of the tee. When I seen the Jordan 1 True Blues was coming out, I said I'm going to kill it with my Wizards jersey. Because when these first came out, I used to kill it with my Jordan 3 True Blues. But something happened. Like, I don't know if the throwback changed the Wizards color, but the blue on this ain't hitting like it used to hit back when Jordan signed with the Wizards. So the match is kind of off. So I did have to put it together to see if it blended. And this blue here is a different blue than a true blue. Kind of mad because, like, how many Jordan jerseys do you have to match the blue? Like, he only played for one blue team. The Bulls always been red, black, white, red, black. Y'all get it. So this used to match blue Jordans. But as far as the true blues, it's hit or miss for me. It's not a perfect match, but I could see it get done. But staying basketball, these Orlando Magic throwback pinstripe shorts is a perfect match to the True Blues. I usually reserve Orlando Magic gear for pennies. You know, the original blue foam posits. So even the penny tools that Social Status came out with the black and the blue. Perfect match. But the gray and the blue at this bottom mixed with that True Blue Jordan 1 is a dead-on match, guys. This is Mitchell & Ness Hardwood Classic 94-95 Orlando Magics. Go to Mitchell & Ness. You can stop the channel right now. Like the video. Then go to Mitchell & Ness. They got 40% off today. So trust me, man. Get these. I think I paid the full price, $140. 40% off these is a steal where I come from. Staying shorts and staying stars is the Kith for USA shorts. And look at the blue of the shorts. Then look at all the different gray stars on the shorts. Perfect match, guys. And it's Kith, so you know it's made in Peru. You know it has all the bells and whistles, the thickness. Beautiful shorts, man. Dead on match. Kith Los Angeles had stock of Kith USA. I didn't see this one, but I did see this one. This is also Kith for USA, but again, like I told y'all on Essentials, this gray is light. It's a lot lighter than that cement gray on the Jordan 1s, so that's why I didn't take these as a match. But these ones here, perfect match, guys. You can try the Kith website, but if you got a local Kith in your city, see if you get lucky. But StockX has them too. I don't know where prices should be, but shouldn't be more than $150. One more pair of shorts I really like is the Bravest Studios Paris shorts. If you don't know who Bravest Studio is, they did the Louis Vuitton shorts, the Gucci shorts. They take the high brands and they just take their style a little bit and make it street brand, which is dope. This is like a Goyard look, but they call it Paris. Bravest Studios, look them up, man. They're becoming real popular, almost like EE, Eric Emanuel. And their shorts are not a lot cheaper, but $75 for this pair here. I think Emanuel like $98. Yeah, so a little cheaper, but dope and quality, guys. Bravest Studios. This right here is the Marni tee, getting real popular. Bronze wearing Marni all the time. Diddy, real popular. This is like the Lotus Flower tee, I think they calling it. A little pricey, guys, but the blue and white is a dead-on match for the Jordan 1 True Blues. This is a True Blue here. Hats. Like I said, that blue is a funny blue. It's true, but it's a funny blue. So I kind of went more with the gray hats. But I like the Supreme Scully here because it's at the top, so it matches with that blue enough to kind of blend in. The Supreme World Famous New Era Scully. The cowboy hat, man, is fire, guys. Y'all know I'm a big cowboy fan, so I can't wait to throw this match on with the Jordan 1 True Blues. This one is Mitchell & Ness. Comes with a pin. This is for the Pro Bowl, right? Because we ain't been in a Super Bowl in a long time. No, it's a Super Bowl patch. Super dope. I don't know if Mitchell & Ness still has this. This is vintage. The Rock Nation blue fitted hat. You know, Rock Nation is like one of the most popular hats on the market right now. Plus, Nipsey just did his new joint, same color, just has the Nipsey patch on the side. A lot of Nipsey fans out there, so real dope, man. And it match. Or like I said, you could just stay with the cement, man, and do the cement gray. Plus, the Rock Nation paper plane kind of gives you that cement elephant print design look here. Dope hat, man. And I showed y'all the shorts earlier, so it's only right I show y'all the Orlando Magic snapback. Also Mitchell & Ness. The blue is a dead-on match, guys. I was trying to get my Cowboys in there, man, but this blue is a lot darker. Might match like a Georgetown Jordan 3 or Jordan 1 first, but man, Cowboys, we need all the luck, man. Yes, sir. So this has been a how to style on the latest Jordan 1s, True Blue. I like them. Far as selling, they still sitting in most stores, man. But I couldn't tell you why. A1 quality, no glue stains. I don't know why, guys. I think if the gray and the blue was interchanged, maybe it'd be a more popular shoe, man. But this has been another How to Style. I appreciate you guys. I'm your boy C Notes. Everybody, get rich.